Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to be practicalizing measurements. Okay, measurements. When I give you have a job or you have a particular flower, the sizes are different. So when the sizes are different, it means you need to take measurements. You can't just cut a square shape and start folding flower. What if it is bigger than what you expect on a frame or on a particular design? Okay, so you need to work with measurement. So you get your ruler. Okay, for the purpose of the course, you need to understand that we have plastic ruler, we have steel ruler, we have different kind of ruler. But as a paper craft engineer, you need a steel ruler for cutting. I'm going to produce a video on that, how you use your steel ruler to cut alongside your cutter. Okay, but for short measurement you can get this your plastic ruler like this. So if you want to measure, for instance, let's take 4, let's use this is in inches and we have centimeters here. Okay, so let me start with inches first. Let's say we want to have 4 by 4 inches square shape. Okay, see, we're going to measure this way. This is 0 and here is 4. Start from the left side of your paper. Okay, so we have 4 here. So from here to here is 4. Okay, here this is another 4. Okay, so it's not up to 12. Okay, so when you do that to the top, you come down here and do the same. Okay, measure. Can you see that? Now you can join these lines, these two lines. So before drawing, ensure that your pencil is touching the edge of the ruler before you now join the line. Okay, so you do that here too. Make sure it's touching both sides. Then you can now draw your line. So when you measure this way, now you measure the other way. Okay, take your paper. This is 0, right? 0 to 4 inches. Okay, still have one more here. All right, come down here, measure same 4, come down here, 4, another 4. Then you can now join the line. You can see you touch for drawing. Can you see? Touch. Then this. So this is our measurement. Okay, this is 4 by 4 square. Now, so thank you very much. This is how you take your measurement. Let's have another size before we leave this class. Let's have another size. Now this time around, let's use the centimeters. Now let's measure 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters squares. Okay, 6, 12. This is reminding me of when I was in school. Then 6 times 1 6, 6 times 2 12, 6 times 3 18, 6 times 4 24. You can see it's not up to 30, so I stop there. So I come down again. So 6 times 1 6. If I'm reading it, you can't make jest of me, so that I won't make mistakes. 12, 18, 24. Okay, I'm supposed to have 30, but it's not up to. Now we join our lines. Remember to touch the edges before you what? Before you rule. Okay, remember, always do that. Okay, for your lines to be straight. See? For your lines to be straight. Can you see? See it. Now we have that. So you turn to the other way. Measure the same. You want to have 6 centimeters, another 6 centimeters, and another 6 centimeters. You come down here. You have 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Now we join the lines. Can you see that? So thank you very much. In the next video, we are going to go further on other important topics.